Bitcoin's price has risen stratospherically, a fact that leaves many minor players in the market with massive gains and many bigger players millionaires. But is this a bubble? Are the gains real? First, we must understand what drives Bitcoin price and, in particular, this boom. The common understanding for current growth leads us back to institutional investors preparing for the forthcoming BTC futures exchanges. The theory about the astonishing rally being put forward by investors. Bitcoin will soon benefit from big institutional money injections via the introduction of the first BTC futures products. This ability makes Bitcoin far more palatable to big investors who are currently flooding the market to make profits if and when the Bitcoin price falls. Further growth comes from the Bitcoin as a store of value crowd. This group of enthusiasts bought and held Bitcoin and will not sell it at any current price. More and more Bitcoin fans are entering into this group and they are driving up demand increases. In a world where people expect Bitcoin to be worth $1 million soon, this sort of activity, whether rational or irrational, is quite popular. We see a common thread between these points: hype and news. All cryptocurrency movements are based on domain-specific media and conversations between traders. Ultimately, new and old users are testing the limits of a system that, for a decade, has been untested. The futures market will be a big driver in growth and bust over the next few months as institutional investors begin using the currency. CoinDesk writer Omkar Godbole notes that the price should remain stable, but a pullback to $11,000 cannot be ruled out. But dips below the upward-sloping 10-day MA of $11,500 are likely to be short-lived. Is this dangerous? Yes, to those who are betting big on BTC. We can't whether to buy or sell, but the common expectation is that Bitcoin raises to a set point and then fluctuates between a high and a low until the next run-up. Many expect foul play. The current price isn't truly driven by demand. When CME Group went live with Bitcoin futures, we saw a sharp increase in demand and an increased number of users in the network, said Matthew Unger, CEO and founder of Complying. Now, some institutional major players are flooding the network with new cash and creating what appears to be market manipulation. Is this a bubble? Many are disappointed in the moves, believing the rise is happening because of market manipulation. But we must remember that the real value of a cryptocurrency is not driven by price but instead is driven by utility. While Bitcoin may always be the proverbial hidden pot of gold for early buyers, the future of all cryptocurrencies is still being written. No one can currently predict what Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will do for us in the future. Until we know, it's best to buckle up and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.